Hi everybody. Today I'm going to read for you guys one of my favorite books. It's called The Little Excavator by Dewdney. Let's get started. Here come the big rigs, rolling down the street. Thumpa, thumpa, bumpa, bumpa, beep, beep, beep. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator. Now you're in a jam. Bram goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusha, pusha, smusha, smusha, smash, smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. But there goes little excavator over with the clunk. Grrrr goes the dump truck with a load of log. Thunka, thunka, clunka, clunka, chug, chug, chug. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator. Don't get in the way. Brump goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang, work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you're big. Roar goes the tall crane, rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh, high, high, high. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator. You're too small. Now there's one last job and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it. Not a single one. Everybody tries it and it's much too tight. But can it be? Little E fits just right. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do. Just for you, here and now. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go.